In this video we'll cover FortiSASE SCIM support. SCIM enables real-time, automated updates of user identities and groups to ensure consistent secure access control without manual intervention. Let's get into it. To get started, on the left-hand side, navigate to Access and Authentication and click on SSO. Click the Configure Service Provider button. At the bottom the screen, toggle the SCIM client feature to enable. Note the URL field has a copy button. Use this to save this URL, generate a token and use its copy button to save both of these values for use in Entra. Click the Submit button to push these SSO changes to the FortiSASE deployment. You'll see a green notification in the top right-hand corner once changes are saved. Now let's head to Microsoft Entra. For this example, we'll use a new custom application to add SCIM integration. In Microsoft Entra, find the Enterprise Applications menu. Click the New Application button, and then once the Browse Microsoft App Gallery loads, click on Create Your Own Application button. Give the new FortiSASE SCIM application a name, and choose the Integrate option or Non-Gallery Radio button. Then click Create button. Note the added successfully message in the top right corner. Now we can add users and groups to this enterprise application. Click on the Add User and Group button to continue. User and Groups shows none selected initially. Click here to assign. Select groups and users that will use FortiSASE. When finished, click Select button and then the Assign button. Now choose the provisioning option. This is where we will utilize both the FortiSASE SCIM URL and token we copied earlier to sync groups and users from our Entra app to FortiSASE. Click the New Configuration button. We will leave the authentication method as bearer authentication. Now, paste in the SCIM URL from FortiSASE and the secret token. Use the Test Connection button to validate Entra is able to communicate with FortiSASE. Here we see a successful test. Click the Create button. With provisioning tested and configured, start the provisioning process using the Play button. This is what starts the sync cycle from Entra to FortiSASE. While we start provisioning, let's take a moment to review the provisioning details. Even though we see a successful provisioning start status, the initial sync has not yet run. Entra SCIM sync intervals are hard set to 40 minutes. To speed up this process, we can use the manual sync button called Provision on Demand. Click this now. Again, this step is optional, but we'll use it here to force a quick sync of a group or user outside of the standard SCIM sync interval. Here I've specified accounting group. Click the Provision button to start this on-demand sync with FortiSASE. Great work! We are now done with Entra setup. Let's move back to FortiSASE to make use of our recent SCIM sync. On FortiSASE dashboard, navigate to under Access and Authentication. Choose Users and Groups. And we now see a new tab just for SCIM. Here you can see our accounting group from the recent Entra provision on demand. Now on the left-hand menu, navigate to Security and Policies. Click the Create button and give the policy a name. Notice the user options. Now choose to specify the user. A new remote SCIM user option is available. Go ahead and click the plus button. We see our SCIM accounting group here. We can now complete building our policy. For the accounting group, I'll make this an accept action and have it in effect for all services and destinations. Click OK to save the new policy. A success message confirms we've associated the SCIM group with our new policy. At this time, our newly created security policy is now using our SCIM provision group. We should reorder to arrange this new policy above other more general security policies. This concludes our FortiSASE SCIM walkthrough. Thanks for watching.